And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Happy New Year! From a bright and sunny Cheshire. No, it's not bright, it's not sunny. It's pitch black and it's raining. So there's your weather forecast for the day. The river is behind my shoulder there, just about to come over the top maybe. We've had a flood alert, we'll see what happens there. But yeah, Happy New Year. We're back at work. So what have we got planned for today? Well, today I'm going to finally finish my nemesis, the Renault Megane that's been bugging me for months now. I'm finally getting to the end of the wiring job on that, in between everything else. I've worked most days this Christmas over the holiday. The only day I really had off was Christmas Day, but I've been working behind closed doors to get a bit of a catch up. And yeah, we're ready to go for 2024. What have we got in the car park? Let's have a look. Thunderbird 2 there. She needs a little bit of love, she does. She needs a service this week, full service, and some fuel additives and an engine flush from DC Lubricants. We've got a little Citroen C1 here, non-runner, immobiliser fault. We've diagnosed that, we've just got to repair it. We've got yet another DS, Citroen DS there. That's Luke's car. That's I've done literally, I must have done a dozen of them last year, with the underbonnet fuse box voltage regulating device fault on it. That's currently a non-runner. Fix that. Thunderbird 5 in the background, trusty old pickler Volvo. That's we need to get that serviced. That's due a full service, some additives, an engine flush, and wheel bearings to sort the ABS fault out. Morning, Jonathan, how are you, mate? And yeah, so the hub's looking nice and shiny bright. So signs are up. We're ready for 2024 and everything it'll bring us. Our partners are fully on board for this year. We're moving forward. Nicola, the other director of SimplyDiag.net, she's coming on full-time. Well, she's on full-time now, sales and marketing. We're going to get some sort of a directory together as well for our members to use and people to use. And yeah, it's going to be absolutely awesome year. It really is. Hub's looking nice and pristine, and I really can't wait to get stuck into 2024. Really looking forward to it. Big updates today. These updates for all the Top Don machines. I think there's a Bosch KTS update as well. Autocom update. So we're going to be fully testing the bandwidth out on the internet in the hub today. Morning, Tim. How are you, mate? So yeah. Rock and roll 2024. Let's have at it. So I've not been live for a while. So if it's been your birthday while I've been offline, happy birthday. If I missed it, I'm really sorry. I hope you've all had a really good Christmas and New Year. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday this week, happy birthday. Hey, listen, 2024, grab hold of it. If there's anything we can do, get in touch. SimplyDiag.net or my Facebook page here. Drop us a message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, you're awesome.